So it feels like Philips almost flew under the radar this year, but they did release these really cool play light bars. What these are more like an accent light, and they really look awesome. If you look behind me, they're actually set up already. So we're going to crack this open and see what's inside and also set them up. So stay tuned, and thank you for watching another episode of Breaking Elegance, where we help you improve your lifestyle with technology. I'm your host, Angel. Now let's get to this. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button below and follow us over on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram if you're interested on catching up with us on those platforms as well. Now let's go ahead and take a quick look around the actual box. Right here up front, you're going to notice that it says that this is the Philips Hue White Plus Color Ambience lights, and these are the play light bars. Obviously, it says the same thing right here up top. And let's take a quick look at the back. Pretty much there's nothing interesting back here. It just claims that you can sync these up with your other Hue lights and you can be creative with them, and this is a versatile design. Other than that, nothing here is very interesting. So I just want to go ahead and crack this thing open. Obviously you will need to have your Philips Hue hub in order to have these link up to your other lights and pretty much for it to work at all. So let's get this open. I gotta be proud of myself. I'm getting really fast at unboxing things. And here you're gonna get some pamphlets. Here's another set of pamphlets and stuff to set this up. I'm not really gonna look at this. And here's one of the lights. This does look pretty compact and pretty nice. So let's see how easy these are to get out of this box. Looks like they're actually tangled in here. So I'm going to need to unravel that one. And it does have like a plug connector that's proprietary. So let's go ahead and get the rest of these out of the box. And like magic, here we go. We have everything out of the box, everything that is actually important that you will get inside of this box. And here we have the plug, and it looks pretty nice. And on the other side here, we can see we can plug up to 3 of these play bars into this unit, which is really nice. This only comes with 2, but it looks like you could get 1 extra one and add it to this plug without needing to actually take up another outlet. You also get different mounting feet, so basically you can mount these in different orientations. This one will go right here in the middle, and it will let you aim them straight right up into the sky. And then you also have this one that will give you 2 different positions. You could basically mount it pointing up like this and have them aiming the wall in a different position depending how you're trying to light up your wall. And you could also mount them with the same actual foot sideways, aiming at your wall or at an accent location. So it's really nice that they were really thinking about this so that they could give you different ways of aiming this light. And it also comes with this adhesive pad, so if you want to put it in a place and you don't want it to actually move, you can go ahead and use that adhesive. And this is a little Allen key that comes with it so that you can set the whole thing up. And these feel pretty sturdy. They actually do look nice. The back of it is already getting really dusty. It is rubbery, but it does collect dust. I do not like that at all. I wish they would give it more of a slick design so that it wouldn't collect all that dust, but it's really nice overall. So let's go ahead and add these lights to our Philips Hue setup here. So you need to open up your Philips Hue application. From there you want to go into settings, and then we're going to go into light setup, and then we're going to add a light. Then we're going to hit search. After the lights are found, there will actually say the word new next to them, and they will be labeled something like Hue Play 1 and Play 2. I would replace this name with something that makes more sense. If you tap on the name of any light here, it will actually make them blink so you could easily identify them. So let's go ahead and do that. And I will take a moment to actually rename them. And now that I have these 2 lights added, I want to go ahead and go back into settings and go into rooms and add these to my studio room. So let's go ahead and open up the studio and select studio left and studio right and have these both added to this room. Now I just want to go out to the home section of the application and make sure that these lights are actually listed inside of the studio. So let's go ahead and open that up, and as you can see, yes, they are 3 lights here. So let's go ahead and test these out now. So I turned off all the other lights in the studio. I just wanted to get that beautiful color coming out of these accent lights with that strip back there. So there is the Light Strip Plus behind the TV. And let's take this for a color spin. So right now we're with the magenta, the blue, and the orange. And I'm going to cycle that orange into, let's just say, green. Let's see if we could get that deep green going. And we could. This actually could reproduce that green. The older Philips Hue bulbs had issues producing that deep green. And here we have regular white. And let's get the back of that TV back to white. And as you can see, that accent light behind the TV, that Light Strip Plus, is really bright. So I have to say, this is pretty awesome. I got to give it to Philips. These are really, really nice accent lights. If you're looking to add some more color into a room, I would definitely recommend these. Besides that, this was pretty easy setup and pretty straightforward, and these are really awesome lights. So what do you think about these lights? Would you use them in any implementation to give your house or home or office or any place an actual nice ambient light, or are you better off with a different solution? I mean, you can use them in conjunction like I am right here behind the TV. I'm actually using the Light Strip Plus. Basically it's the rope light that you would get from Philips Hue. I will link all of these in the description below in case you are interested, at least in the strips, because unfortunately, these lights, like I might have mentioned before, you can only get either in Best Buy or directly from Philips Hue. And the last time I checked, they actually ran out of, and they were out of stock on the Philips website. Hopefully they come back in stock soon. Probably by the time you watch this video, maybe they'll get some more in. They are really nice, and they really can be used in conjunction, so that way you have like an area where there's a light strip and then the area where there's the actual ambience from the play light bars. There is an application that you can install on your PC so that it can synchronize. I will also leave a link in the description below for that. And like always, you guys have a great one.